Hello, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I replicate the authentic Chinese recipes using ingredients I find in the United States. In this episode, I will share a pork rib recipe that could be enjoyed by all ages. It is another recipe from the Sichuan cuisine. However, it is not spicy. Rather, it is tender and delicious with less oil. First, let's clean and blanch the pork ribs. Put the ribs in cold water, bring to a boil, and simmer for 10 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly. Set aside. For the sauce, in a bowl, a few slices of ginger, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of soybean paste, 2 blocks of fermented tofu, two tablespoons of cooking wine, dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon, 5 spice, 1 teaspoon. Smash the fermented tofu and soybean paste and mix well. Add about 1½ teaspoon salt. Pour the sauce into the ribs. Massage so that the ribs are evenly soaked. Add 2 bay leaves and Sichuan pepper. One tablespoon of starch. Mix well. Put aside to season for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare for the rice powder. Add 2 rice cups of sweet rice. I'm using sweet brown rice. White will do as well. 1 cup of white rice to the pan. Medium heat. Stir fry until the white rice turn brown. Grind the rice into powder. Add the rice powder to the seasoned ribs and wrap the powder around the ribs. Make sure the rice powder absorbs the sauce to form a thick layer around each rib. Steam with boiling water on high heat for about an hour. An hour later, the ribs are ready. Before serving, drip some sesame oil and garnish with diced scallions. The ribs are soft, tender, and well seasoned. What makes this dish unique and outstanding is the gooey rice powder, which soaks up the tasty sauce and rib broth. Simply delicious. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoy the recipe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.